Hello friends, today we will see how to make assembly in the CATIA and some basic tools those are used in the CATIA. Welcome to e-Adhyan. So let's make a new one. So here I want to make assembly. So I will select a product. Then I have to bring in components. So I have already made 2-3 components to explain you how to do the assembly. So this is one component. Let's now take another one. So let's take part 2. We can do automatic rename. Then I want to align. So take this command. So this is snap. So I select the axis and I match with this. So this is the bigger one, so I want to modify, so I can double click it, then I can go inside pad. In this you can see there is a sketch. I can edit the sketch and make it 10. Then I exit this sketch and it will correct the dimension. Now I want this part at 2 locations, here as well as here. So I will select this part, then I will do insert, then I can do define multi instances, and also you can do fast when this will apply when you have done some define multi earlier, then it will take the same one if you select this one. So we are doing it the first time in this assembly. So here you can see it will create a new part. If you want more than one, you can select more than one also, but here we want only one, so we will take one. Then dimension also you can vary. So here let's say 50 mm. If you want to change the direction, you can change the direction also. Here we have Z, then you can reverse also in another direction, and then you can click OK. So this will create a new part. It will copy the existing one. So this is the faster way of using the existing one for number of instances. Now I want to replace this part with another one. So I have made another part. Let's say this part I want to place it there. So what I will do is I will replace the part. So replace component in session. So right click component, replace in the session. You will get a window where you can select part 3. Okay, so whether you want to replace for all or no. So here it will ask, do you want to replace all the instances of the selected element? Yes, no, we want to replace at only one location. So I will replace it, automatic rename. Then I want to align the part as earlier. So this is coming in different direction because the base plane and direction was not same. So you can take this manipulation, then you can rotate also. Okay, then snap this with the axis. You can match this plane. So now you can see we have two different components assembled in the one plate. Now I want to see whether it is aligned properly or not. So for that I will do a cross section. I will take a cross section. So here you can see section definition. So I will make a position in y direction. Then I will do a volume cutout. So it will show me how. Here I can see the alignment. Also I can do reverse, also invert the normal position. So here you can see it will show from other direction. Also you can change the location and also the direction. Here you can see. So this is sectioning. Then I want to hide this component. Here you can see this is the hide and show space, swap visible space. So I hide this. If I want to unhide this, I can click it again. If you want to see what are the hidden component, you can go in swap visible space. So here you can see this is the hidden component. This will swap the position. Also, if I want to change the view, this is shading with edges. If you want to make hidden edges, you can also show hidden edges from this menu. So here you can see different shading with material or wireframe or customization view preferences. Here let's say I want to select this part and I want to only see this part and hide all other parts. Then right click, then go into inversion. So it will select all other parts and then you can hide it. So it will show only the selected components. Now I want to apply raw material to this part. So here I can select the part body, then I can apply this raw material. It will select the raw material, then you can apply the selected raw material. Similarly, this is the assembly. So if I want to give bill of material or I want to generate the bill of material, then I can analyze the bill of material and then I will get a bill of material. Then I can save it as in Excel, then it will save as a Microsoft Excel. So this is the procedure for saving or generating the bill of material. So this is, friends, some of the basic tools that I have used. Now if I want to generate a drawing, then I can go to generate a drawing. Then you can select the standard and format, sheet style, portrait or landscape. Now here you can see you can take this symbol. This is for generating the front view. Here let me show you here. This is for isometric view, this is for unfolded view. So let's take front view. Then go to assembly window. Here I will select this view and then it will come here. You can rotate it or you can flip also. Then click OK. Then you can select projected view. It will generate bottom view or a side view. If you want to generate a cross section view, you can take a cross section from here. You can take a cross section here and generate a cross section view. Then if I want a detail view, then I can go into detail view. Then let's take this detail. Okay, so this is not the active part, so first I need to activate this view. Then I can take a detail view here. Now I don't want all this detail, this is small example, but if there are more details and if you want to clip it, you can clip also, clipping view, or let's say I will show you in this view, then it will be more clear. So I take a clipping view and I only want this much, so it will show only this much area. So this is the clipping view. Then we can assign the dimension. Let's also take a isometric view. So it will generate isometric view. From properties you can select the scale. Also you can lock the view so that no one can edit it later on. You can hide the display frame. You can also show hidden lines, axes or fillets. You can define whatever you need from this section and properties, then you can select the OK. It will generate the view as per your requirement. So friends, this was the basic about CATIA tools which are normally used for making assembly and drawings. I hope you will like this. Thank you very much and happy learning.